Simple Events is the easiest way to run any type of event that you want in your HubSpot portal. Hi, I'm Justin Givens. I'm over here at the team at Simple Events that was built by Image in a Box. And our goal is to make your life running any type of event, virtual, in-person, hybrid, however you want to run it. We want to give you the simplest way to execute that marketing event and have all the data in HubSpot. With that, let me introduce to you Simple Events. Now, you go to the Simple Events landing page, simpleevents.io. You'll land on this page, just sign up here, and that will get you to the website to register. Now, if you've already got an account, just go ahead and log in. But let me create an account and show you how powerful this tool is. With that, I'm going to type in my name, Justin Givens. I'm with Image in a Box. And as you can see here, very simple. So I've signed up. So I'm logged in, and now I'm going to see how to connect to my account. And you'll just click connect to your portal. I'm going to connect and choose my HubSpot portal, connect that account, boom, and you're redirected and connected. And if you'll see, you can go back and check, hey, I'm connected to the right portal account. In that, you can create your first event. And you can see how simple it is to create an event. What we're going to do is demo event. Boom. And we're going to say to choose the type, conference, trade show, choose whatever works best for you. Give it this is demo event. In that sense, we're going to fly through this. Awesome. As you can see, we got that new event created. So the form's created, and now I can actually go in here and see what the form looks like. I can open up that form and enter the URL. I can modify this form. I can do whatever I need to. And this is where Simple Events really comes in awesome. You can put this form on any page, external from HubSpot or a landing page, a website. And the goal is, as people fill out that form, they're going to automatically show up in there. And as you can see, I showed up. The form was filled out in the HubSpot on a landing page or anything like that. That user came in, and then I'm ready to run my event. I've got my event coming up on the 10th. I can easily have this. I don't have to go to an Excel. I don't have to worry about importing or exporting anything. I can literally manage the attendees at the table or virtually, like in a Zoom meeting or a Zoom webinar or even Google Meet, anything, any platform you choose. I can then check in those people. I can mark that event as complete. Now, what's great about this is everything about this information lives in your HubSpot. As you can see here, this person registered for the demo event. All right. And if I go to my HubSpot marketing events section, we will see my demo event there. You can see I got one registered. All right. And if I came back here and said, hey, this was the day of the event, I can easily create the check-ins and do all that awesome automation. Now, this beautiful thing is all this data lives in HubSpot, so you can trigger email marketing off of it. It goes out there, then you can do all your collateral through lists, through workflows, and all that great things. So one of the cool things about our Pro account, if you choose to upgrade, you can do a batch import. So you can select an existing list. So sometimes a lot of people get lists from conferences or code share events. They can import that list into HubSpot and then associate those contacts with a direct person in the marketing event. And that's an awesome, great feature in Pro. The other great features in Pro is that it automatically creates these 6 assets: registered, attended, no-show, and so forth for workflows and for lists. When I go into that workflow, you can see here it's already stubbed out based off the date parameters. So I can drop in email notifications. I can do SMS notifications. Again, the idea is everything lives in HubSpot. You're not learning another system. We are just keeping your life as simple as possible with Simple Events. I hope you enjoy it and get the most out of your events today without dealing with importing and exporting, and love running your events now with Simple Events with your HubSpot.